video tutorial, we will learn how to download details of major cities of the world. We will import major cities of the world into QGIS software, and then we will find distance between two cities. References and acknowledgements to naturalerthdata.com and qgis.org. So let's download details of major cities of the world. Search Natural Earth Data and open naturalerthdata.com website. Go to this download tab. On download tab, we have three options available: large scale data, medium scale data and small scale data. So let's go to this cultural part of large scale data. On this page, now locate cities and town points. So I'm interested in downloading these details. So download populated places. Your file will be downloaded very soon. It's only of around 2.6 MB. The file is successfully downloaded. Let's go to that file. This is the zip file downloaded. Let's unzip this. And this file contains different files. We will be using this .shp file in our QGIS software. So now let's start QGIS software. Now we will import details of major cities of the world into QGIS software. I'll be using QGIS 3.1 software. This is homepage of QGIS software. Let's start a new project, and this is the folder containing SHP file. So just drag this SHP file into this QGIS software, and you can see various points which are related to the major cities of the world. These are just points related to various cities of the world. Now let's display name of these cities. So for that, go to this layer, right click properties, and under this labels, select single labels. Make sure to select name, just apply and OK. So now we can see names related to each point. So this is second part of this video. Now let's find distance between two cities. So for that, go to this measure line and just click on one of the cities. Let's click on Ahmedabad, and one more left click on Vadodara. Right click to complete our selection. Then go to this units part. Let's select kilometers. So approximately 101 kilometers and approximately 62 miles between Ahmedabad and Vadodara. Let's select Ahmedabad and Mumbai. So this is Ahmedabad, one left click. This is Mumbai, one more left click and right click to complete selection. And you can see approximately 450 kilometers and around 280 miles. So this is how finding distance between two cities is also very simple under QGIS. So enjoy QGIS software.